I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Activating eSIM with Telus Canada is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin, make sure you have your new eSIM card, your Telus account information, and any identification required. This will streamline the activation process. Step 2. Visit the Telus activation page. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Enter your eSIM card number. Input the eSIM card number found on the card itself. This is crucial for linking your new eSIM to your account. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Complete the activation by following the prompts. You may need to verify your identity or choose a plan. Make sure to read each step carefully. Step 5. Restart your device. Once the activation is complete, restart your phone to ensure it recognizes the new eSIM. If you don't see service, double-check that the eSIM is properly inserted. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Telus customer support for assistance. Activating your eSIM should be a breeze.